Hi guys, what's up? Today we are at Combat Outpost. Before it was named Ghost Town Events. We came here to experience the renovated location. They built the location way better than it was before. It's now more tactical. But unfortunately we did not enjoy it. There were a lot of cheaters, a lot of people discussing each other, and I was getting tired of telling people that it is a gentleman's sport. In this video I will show you some moments when the opponents were cheating. After some conflicts with the marshal, we decided not to come here anymore. I think it's a shame because the location is very good to play. Keep watching.
Sulit bos.
Well, if you can see, this guy was like he was a Spider-Man with goat mud on. I shot him many times but he didn't take his hit. This was the first time, so I did not say anything and continue playing. It's the same guy. I shot him twice. Seems like he was still God mode on. So he walks in the house and comes out by continue playing. He also gets shot by a teammate, but he still didn't take his hit. So I decided to tell him that I'm recording everything.
Ga maar, jongens, laten we niet discussiëren, gewoon verder spelen. Let's go. Gewoon verder spelen, ja?
Maar ik zeg vooral hoe dat ja.
Hè?
Maar ik zeg vooral hoe dat ja. Hoe met de vrouwen.
Ik versta je niet, man. Ik Nederlands praat.
U spreekt ook Nederlands?
Ja.
Waar zat ja?
Ik zat daar en ik heb jou hier al vaak geschoten.
And another one. I shot him 2 times on his chest and looked away. After I was looking back, he shot me in my face.
Ik heb je op camera, hè? Ik heb je op camera.
I did not want to discuss, so I told everything to Marshall. I also said that I could show her the videos I was recording.
Ik heb alles op camera. Kom er zo bij.
Instead of confront the cheater, she started yelling at me that I must stop recording. I did not understand why she did that.
Ik heb je al gevangen. Ik heb hem al geschoten. Maar we moeten hier achter blijven. We moeten hier zo'n muur bouwen, zeg maar. Daar staat 1 hier. Ben ik hierboven. Eentje heb ik daar nodig. Eentje bij die schuttingen. achter je. Ik heb hem.
In the end, we stopped playing and we went to home. We decided not to come here anymore because of the marshals. They gave a bad briefing to everyone and did not confront any of the cheaters we told them. I hope you enjoyed my video. Subscribe and like and stay tuned for my next video. See ya!